My name is Christina Monty Fisher and welcome to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be doing some fall type recipes. We are going to have Parmesan cheese, olive oil, a little bit of crushed red pepper, some minced garlic, anchovy paste. If you don't have anchovy paste, you can get anchovies and kind of grind them down or mince them, or you could use one of these little mortar pestle things. The juice of 1 lemon, because these lemons are kind of small, I'm gonna use a juice of 2, but normally it's a juice of 1. And then just salt and pepper to taste. So we're gonna get started. You wanna put the garlic into a bowl or into one of these little doodads, okay? With 1/4 teaspoon of salt, just a little bit of salt, okay? Then you just wanna pound it down until it becomes a paste. Have I said today how good garlic is for you? Yeah, it's so good. It definitely helps with the immune system. It can help lower cholesterol. It's amazing. Kind of get the lemon ready for prepping here. We're just gonna cut it in half. Okay, and then I'm just gonna squeeze it into the bowl here. I'm gonna hold my hand underneath so we don't get any seeds. A good amount of juice out of this guy. Wow. That probably looks like the juice of 1 lemon, but I'm Italian. You can never have enough lemon. If you ever meet my mom and you're having a meal with her, she will look at you and start telling you need to add more lemon to whatever you're eating. And if you don't, she'll just take it upon herself to start putting it on your plate. But that's how it is. Okay, that's a lot of juice. I think that looks like the juice of 1 lemon to me. That is 1/4 cup of extra virgin olive oil. We're adding 1/4 cup of grated Parmesan cheese. We're gonna do the chili flakes. We're gonna put the pepper in there, the rest of the salt, and then we need a 1/4 teaspoon of anchovy paste. This is so yummy. I'm just gonna eyeball it. And we are going to just whisk. So there is your dressing for the Tuscan kale. You can save this for up to 3 days in your fridge.